Good evening, everyone. First at 5, a guilty plea from the parents of a 4-year-old who was starved to death.
It's a heart-wrenching case. The 4-year-old Randolph Thomas weighed less than 20 pounds at the time of his death. In a Durham County courtroom today, his parents pleaded guilty to murder. Ken Ward is live at the Durham County Courthouse with more on this tragic story. Ken?
Tisha, Richard Dowen took full responsibility for his son's death today in court, asking the judge to go easy on his wife.
I would strongly recommend and ask court to give her a surrender life sentence if I'm a controlling domineering freak.
Richard Dowen pled with the judge to go easy on his wife and to keep his face off camera today, protect him from future cellmates. But Dowen's face has been all over the news since 2005. That's when Richard and Amber Dowen were arrested and accused of starving 4-year-old Randolph to death. Both pled guilty today to second-degree murder.
I think the difficulty in going to trial would have been to get a jury of 12 to agree unanimously that these two individuals intended to kill their child.
But that's exactly what prosecutors believe. Back in 2005, the two were traveling through Durham in this truck. Richard flagged down a deputy, saying the child was unresponsive. 4-year-old Randolph was pronounced dead hours later. Prosecutors say the abuse was spearheaded by Richard.
I think the plea offer from the state indicates both the seriousness of the case, but also indicates that the state believes, and I certainly agree with this, that she was the much less responsible party.
Amber Dowen's sentencing has been postponed, but despite Richard's plea to go easy on his wife, prosecutors say that won't happen.
The plea agreement allows a range. I anticipate arguing for a sentence of 20 to 24 years in her case. As I said, we're not absolving her in this matter by any means.
The Dowens have a second child who was unarmed. She's now in the custody of social services. We're live at the Durham County Courthouse. Ken Ward, ABC 11, Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Ken. In Morrisville, police now say they know how a man discovered on Highway 54 exposed it.